I'm trying to schedule a new job on job calendar page. So I pick one job from job list. And schedule it as a driver Brian Miller. So we'll create a one new disposal job to this. After creation of disposal job, one new job is attached to the disposal job. So we'll confirm the start and end location of that job. This is the start location of for shaving job. The end location of disposal job is start location of shaving job. I think it was correct. And end time and start time are also match. So we'll try to drag this on the another. So you can see that disposal job is also moved to the new position. So just need to confirm. Okay, thank you.